Hello friends, today I will show you how to create StarBurst effect in Photoshop CC. First, create a new page. Go to File, New, Page Setup, Width 1000 pixel to height 1000 pixel square, resolution 300. Click Create. Okay, now choose color from foreground color. Double click on foreground color, you will get the color pick. Okay, now choose a color. Foreground color must be lighter than background color. Okay, now set background color. Okay, create, click on OK. Now go to gradient and set the gradient color. Basic, it's Photoshop CC 2020. Now drag from top to bottom. Okay, now go to Filter, Distort Wave. Okay, number of generation 71, wavelength minimum 19 to maximum 20, amplitude minimum 5, max 150, horizontal 100, vertical 100, type sign. Click OK. Now again go to Filter, Distort, Polar and Coordinates. Okay, you can see the preview. Make sure you selected rectangle to polar. Click OK. Yes, it's done. Now you can see the StarBurst effect. Okay friends, let's try yourself. Thank you.